Everybody, so I just wanted to share some information about some hair products that I've been using and the humongous difference that I've seen. So right now you see this part of my hair, it looks kind of straggly. This is after I put on this hair mask. It's a pretty heavy hair mask, so it just kind of feels like crunkly, you know. And then this side is after I've brushed it, so it still has that deep conditioning in my hair, but this is before, this is with the conditioner, and then this is, I'm going to show you now when I brush it out. So that portion, you see how it gets nice again. It's like takes out the crinkliness. But anyway, I really have been enjoying these products, and so essentially every day I take this hairspray, and it's like a nutrient thing, and I only spray it on the roots. That's it. So I spray it on the roots, and then this I use once a week as a hair mask, and then I use the shampoo, and I only apply the shampoo up here to the crown of my head, and I use the conditioner, and I put the conditioner from like midway, like right here, all the way down to the ends, and that has made a huge difference for me. Oh, and here's my bathroom inspiration. You are beautiful, for you are fearfully and wonderfully made, Psalm 139:14. So anyway, you know, I've had a lot of issues with my hair since I went from blonde to black, and then from black going back to blonde, and all those variety of steps that it took to get it to that level. And then last year I cut my hair to this length here, and so this is how much has grown. And in the back, it's kind of hard to see, but look in the mirror. So how far the back is, like down to here, like down to the middle of my back. So it went from like chin length all the way down to my back from using these products. So they do work, and they are pricey, but I have to say that, you know, they definitely have made a difference in the texture and quality of my hair, and it looks so much healthier. So if that helps you, it is Moerie. It's M-O-E-R-I-E. I'm not sponsored or anything. I'd like to be, but it's a great product, and I really have had, like I said, a lot of success with it. So hope you have a great day. Bye.